Hello, little learners! Are you ready for phonics fun today? Get your listening ears and your speaking voice. Let's learn our letter sounds together.
A, a, a. A says a. A, a. Apple. A, ant. A, astronaut. B, b, b. B says b. B, b. Ball. B, b. Bat. B, b. Bag. K, k, k. C says k. K, k. Cat. K, k. Cup. K, k. Car. D, d, d. D says d. D, d. Dog. D, d. Drum. D, d. Duck. E, e, e. E says e. E, e. Elephant. E, e. Egg. E, e. Envelope. F says fish. Frog. Fan. G, g, g. G says g. G, g. Goat. G, g. Gum. G, g. Grapes. H says hat. Hand. Horse. I, I, I. I says I. I, I. Igloo. I, I. Insect. I, I. Ice. J, j, j. J says j. J, j. Jelly. J, j. Jar. J, j. Juice. K, k, k. K says k. K, k. Kite. K, k. Kangaroo. K, k. Key. Ool, ool, ool. L says ool. Ool, ool. Lion. Ool, ool. Leaf. Ool, ool. Lamp. M says monkey. Moon. Milk. N says nest. Net. Nose. Ah, ah, ah. O says ah. Ah, ah. Octopus. Ah, ah. Owl. Ah, ah. Orange. P says pig. Pen. Pancake. Qu, qu, qu. Q says qu. Qu, qu. Queen. Qu, qu. Quail. Qu, qu. Question. R says rabbit. Rope. Rainbow. S says sun, sock, snake. T says t, t, t. Tiger, t, t. Table, t, t. Train. U says umbrella, unicorn, up. V says van, violin, vase. W says whale, window, wagon. X says box, xylophone, fox. Y. Y says yo-yo, yarn, yellow. Z says zebra, zip, zoo.
Good job, kids! Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more, click subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye!